What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. According to this, it says my fuel injector is out for delivery. So I think before it gets here, I think I'm going to go ahead and pull this fuel rail off and pull this injector out and get it replaced, because that is the last thing that I need to do to put the engine back together and get it to crank, besides the master cylinder. And I also think today we're going to be putting this in service mode and start pulling it apart and getting everything ready to be cleaned for right now and serviced, pretty much like oil change and everything. So that's what we're doing today, guys.
Man, stop.
Take that drill and put it on there right there and drill those off and back them off. Look at that. You working on your car.
Whatever. What you gonna do this?
Nothing. You don't need this no more. Yeah, just back them out. Not coming off. Oh, cut that.
What we got?
You forgot one.
I got you say one at the bottom.
4. 2 on each side.
You ain't say 2 on each side.
The guy said this car's been sitting for a year and it's built up so much of black down there, man. That's all gunk. Spider webs are everywhere. There's gonna be a fun project cleaning and putting back together. Look at all this. Look at I just sprayed some of my specialty stuff on here, degreaser stuff, and look at this, guys. It's so much of just grease and oil. Is just so much just caked in there. Look at that. It's just caked in there. So yeah, I just want to clean it a bit. Know what I'm working with, you know what I'm saying? Oil that was down there, that looks so much better, right? I know it's not the best, but you know, now there's not a bunch of caked up oil just everywhere on every single panel and everything, you know. So I'm happy with that. I think first we just need to undo these clamps. Let's not try and break another one because I already broke one, so let's try our best not to break another one. Let's see. And we just pull these clamps right here, and that should release the plug. Yep. Awesome. So just pull that, and that releases the plug. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws to take out for the fuel pump, for the fuel rail. That last one, which fell right down there. That sucks. So it seems like we gotta pull these little pins right here out. Like that. Let's not lose those. Right way I don't have to go through that trouble of losing those. And then there's that one. 2. And 3. And this is 4, 5, and number 6. So all 6 of those, and then I think we can just pull it out of there, right? So yeah, it just pulls right off, like I said. So yeah, once that pulls off, this is the plug. This is the broke plug. So now I gotta figure out how to get the plug out of there, which I'm pretty sure you just pull the sucker out of there. And that piece, just look how fragile this crap is. The orange piece just broke. I hope I don't need that piece. Oh my gosh. Why is this so complicated? Now I gotta figure out how to get that out of there. Well, now I just gotta wait for the mailman to get here so I can put that injector in there. And then once I put that injector in there, I can put all of this back together. I can put all this back together and then get ready to start it, you know? Because that injector is the last thing besides the master cylinder, and that's coming in the mail too. I'm just waiting on that to come. And I can put the front back on it, toss some oil in it, get the headers back on it, and, you know, start her up. So you see right there, guys. Alright guys, so the new fuel injector is here. I ordered it from BC Auto Racing. I think that's what it is, BC Auto. That's the fuel injector. But yeah, I had ordered it from BC Auto Works. Same people I got the bushings from for my suspension. So I want to say it's simple. You just take it and push it in there, and boom, new injector is in. So that's how you install a new injector. Awesome. That was the easiest, complicatedest thing I've ever done, was change an injector. Well guys, we're kind of wrapping her up there. I put that back in. I put that fuel plug back in there. I put that injector back inside there. I put the manifold back on too. I can't put the spark plug yet until I get the headers done. But the valve cover bit is back on. Top radiator hose is back on. The plugs are back on there. So tomorrow I just need to put the shift links in and put the front radiator support back on it. And then we're right there to, then we pretty much are right there to crank her up. I mean, we're right there, guys. I haven't heard that sound in a minute. I guess that means it's about time for me to get ready to wrap up here. So we're almost there. Just a little bit more to go. I guess I will catch you guys in the next video where we put those axles on there, shift linkage and stuff back together, and put the front end back on it. And then we're ready, almost ready to wrap it up. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Okay guys, I'm wrapping it up. Remember guys, have an awesome day.